Hi, welcome to You Can Solve One Side of the Rubik's Cube. Grab a Rubik's Cube and mix it up. Once your Rubik's Cube is all mixed up like this, then get ready for step 1. This is what step 1 is supposed to look like when it's done. And step 1 is create a first bar. Now, to create a first bar, and as you see, right here, there's one corner that needs to be fixed. Look for a white corner. There's 2 white corners, but we only need 1. So then you turn the cube around and keep turning until it's close to this corner, like here, from here to here. Now, to do that, they do R, then U, and an R back down. As you see, there's one corner needs to be left. Okay. Now we turn this corner around and go from here to here. Now we go R, then U, then R back down. Now, you still need one corner, so then you turn the corner around until it matches what's over here, from here to here. Well, actually you're finished because there's a bar right there. Get ready for step 2. This is what step 2 is supposed to look like when it's done. And step 2 is add a second bar. Now, to add a second bar, you can do wherever the middle or the bottom. I'm going to do the middle. So, now as you see, the middle, there's only 1 left for the bar. And you want to remove this corner until step 3. So, you turn this corner away. Now you find a white edge. Here's a white edge. So then you turn and then turn it back together. Now you see there's still a corner that needs to be removed, so turn it away. There's the edge. So now you turn the edge and then you do the algorithm. R, and then R back down. It's still, then you move here. In the middle and center, then you go R, M, and then here, and then R and then back down. Now, I think, now, then here and here. You need to remove these 2 sides. Now here. Now you go L prime, U prime, and then L back down. Now as you see, I created a bar right here. Now it's to the middle. Now let's do this again. Now here's the edge. Now you go and remove this and there, and here and here and here and here, and then you did it. You created a second bar. Get ready for step 3, the last one. this is what step 3 is supposed to look like when it's complete. It's supposed to be solved at the end. Get ready. Now, to create a last bar, as you see, there's 2 corners right here. You turn the corners right here, and then you move the corners to right here. Now you're already almost done. There's the white edge. You move white edge right here, and then move it right here. You might think I messed up, but watch this. You do R, and then U, and R back down. Actually, now you go here, here. Now you go R, then U, and R back down. Now you see there's only 1 corner left to be solved. Now it's the same sides as same quarters to be together. This can go to here. Like doing R, and then let's start over. Now go R, and then U, and R back down. And that solves the side. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.